To set up your new NOVAS smart lock, begin by removing the battery cover. The enrollment QR code is located on the back. Download the NOVAS app and click Add top right. Now set up a device. Enter your name and number so you're registered as the owner. Now enter a friendly device description. Next, scan the QR code. Now configure the hold open time. 3 or 5 seconds is optimal. Next, select voice control if you want to use Siri and shortcuts. Configure keep unlocked. Now you're complete. You can test activate your door, which will unlock the latch for your prescribed hold open time. Now you can replace the battery cover. You can do so without the gasket for indoor environments, making it easier to replace the battery in the future.